The area is naturally surrounded by River Zuari and its rivulets on the three sides. As per the project report, 75% of the plot gets covered at high tide. Aqua farming was carried out on this plot until recently while disclosing the surrounding area, which is planned for the construction of Mini India Park, which is also the floodplains of the River Zuari. The villagers had opposed it in the past as well, stating that the area is a CRZ area and a breeding ground for estuarine fishes and a roosting place for several species of birds.
हो प्रोजेक्ट जो जो येता हो पयलो सुवातेर नोड डेव्हलपमेंट जोनाक येता आनी CRZ1 एरिया येता ती पयलीं खाजन आनी पॅडी कल्टिवेशन पळय करताले आनी फिशींग ब्रिडींग करताले तातूंत भितर मँग्रोव्स आसले तातूंत फ्लोरा फावना इज अ रिचेस्ट लग्जरियंट प्लेस इन केलोसी अरावंड 30,000 स्क्वेअर मिटर हांगा जमीन आसा बेसिकली सगळी खाजन एरिया आनी खाजन एरिया तांकां तर एक बोट घालून दिलें सगळे हात घालतले सगळीच खाजन एरिया काबार करतले सगळें एवरीथींग इन दॅट बट हे IBP आयज कोणा कडेन लोकां कडेन लोकला कडेन कन्सर्न घेवन आसा प्रोजेक्ट पास करता आनी विलेजसांक त्रास करता नॉट ओन्ली दॅट ते विलेजसांचे आनी गोंयचे लग्जरी पळय हें आसा हेरिटेज सायट्स आसा ते डिस्ट्रॉय करून उडयता वी डेफिनेटली पूण हॅव बीग एजुकेशन ऑन दीस प्रोजेक्ट आनी जायना जाल्यारूच आमी फुडें वतले मागीर लीगल एडवायस घेतले लीगल प्रोसिडींग करतले.
After the inspections, Kortali MLA Alina Saldana directed the officials to examine all the aspects of complaints made by the villagers and further asked them to submit a report on priority. The officials have assured that they would give the report by the October 7, 2016.
Today, the Goa State Biodiversity Board has conducted its site inspection at the venue of the proposed Mini India Park project. We have noted down everything with respect to the environment of the area. Every change has been noted, whatever action has been done, has been taken by the proponent so far has been noted. Now a report will be written on all this and there will be further discussions on the report here because everywhere I'm meeting people that are saying that the government has cleared the project. The government has not cleared the project. What government has done is granted IPB clearance with respect to the revenue point of view, whether the project is capable of generating revenue or not. From that point of view, the permission has been granted, the clearance has been granted, subject, this is most important, subject to clearances from all the other departments like the Pollution Control Board, the Biodiversity Board, the GCZMA, Environment, PCP, Revenue, Forest. All these clearances have to be obtained and unless and until these clearances are obtained, nothing can happen here.
Bureau Report, HCN.